Assalamu alaikum. This is Adam, and in this video I'll give a brief introduction of my 30 days of quantum computing challenge. I'll start off by explaining what the challenge is, why I'm doing this, and how I am planning to proceed with this. First, what's the challenge? Much like 30 days of code challenge, where participants publicly commit to coding at least an hour a day for 30 consecutive days, I'm committing myself to learning about quantum computing for the next 30 days, inshallah. This will include the theory as well as the practical aspects of quantum computing. I'll also publicly post my progress along the way, either on Twitter or on my blog or on YouTube, explaining what I've learned that day and sharing my notes with you. Now, why I'm doing this? There are a bunch of reasons behind this, but the primary reasons are the following three. First being the public accountability aspect of the challenge. By committing myself publicly to this challenge, I've made a promise to all of you that I'll be doing this task for the next 30 days. Now, if I start slacking off or get distracted and start learning about some other thing like deep learning, reinforcement learning, etc., then I'm going back on my word, which is a big no-no for me. So this commitment forces me to go through with this to the end. Second, this will help me in having a better understanding of the topic. As I've also decided to post what I've learned in a particular day, I'll need to delve deeper into the topics that I'm learning, knowing them inside out, so I'm able to explain it to others in simple terms. This will help me to learn the concepts more thoroughly. Lastly, this will also act as a daily log for me, showcasing the progress I've made each and every day. This will be beneficial both for my future self as well as others who might want to start this journey sometime in the future. These were the main reasons behind this challenge. Now, how am I going to do this? Well, truth be told, I haven't mapped out a concrete path just yet, only a vague idea about how to move forward with this. I'll start off with Black Opal, which is a great introductory source full of interactive visualizations and exercises. After that, I'm planning to read the Introduction to Classical and Quantum Computing by Thomas Wang. After that, I'm not so sure what I'll do. Maybe I'll start reading the famous Mike and Ike book, or maybe I'll move towards more practical Qiskit resources or go towards quantum machine learning route. Only time will tell. Let's see how this goes. For the videos, I first started off with using After Effects, but now I'm resorting to using very simple methods just to get my points across. I'll resort to more fancy editing and animation tricks some other time, otherwise it will detract me from my learning path. That's it for now, hoping for a rewarding experience, so wish me luck. Allah Hafiz.